Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the 𝙭𝙧𝙀 Academy, and friends, it is my 67th day of 75 hard days English challenge. And friends, today I'm going to start my first step to read newspaper. But before reading newspaper, I want to share with you something. Friends, today I am very happy because I am near to complete my 75 hard days English challenge. And friends, really I am enjoying my 75 hard days English challenge. And friends, do you know, today I am going to share with you my memorable moment in my life. So friends, I still remember when I was in the school. That time I was very naughty because after interval I used to go out of my school to learn lots of things like crafting, painting, knitting sweaters, and some another things like dancing, singing, playing any instrument. So the moment was very good for me because whenever I used to go somewhere, that time I had the time to learn these type of things and to make these type of things. But if I talk about the current situation, nowadays I don't have time to make these type of things like knitting sweaters and making craft. And that time I used to make and I used to sell those type of things. But friends, in winter season, sometime my mother knits sweater for me, and I think friends, you might know about how to knit sweater. So friends, do you know what is the meaning of knit? It means sweater bunna. So friends, for example, my mother knits sweater for me in winter season. And friends, right now I am going to read newspaper.
Scrutinized by the National Financial Reporting Authority (NFRA) for providing non-audit services to same clients of which they are the statutory auditors. According to People, private is rather lenitent on this aspect. Friends, I have completed my first step to read newspaper for 1 hour, and while reading newspaper I got lots of new words, and after completing my reading, now I want to share with you something. Do you know friends, what is called a person who has lots of money in English? Friends, we can say rich. Yeah, we say, but today I am going to share with you a new word instead of using rich person. So friends, the word is affluent. Friends, it is a one word substitution, and the meaning of this word is having lots of money. We can say in Hindi, एक ऐसा इंसान जिसके पास बहुत सारा पैसा होता है, या तो जो इंसान बहुत अमीर होता है. So friends, how we can use this word in example? For example, he is affluent person, that's why he spends his money. When grandmother is called, she said, "Ajji, give me a set of reasons why one should eat banana." A 5 years it okay.
Friends, I have completed my second step to listen video for 1 hour, and while listening video I got lots of new words, and after completing my listening, now I want to share with you something. Friends, as you know, I share with you some new words with their example and with their meaning every day, but today I will share with you what I do for my listening. So friends, basically for listening the video, I use 2 channels, and today I am going to share with you those 2 channels which is you can improve your listening and you can listen the video. So friends, the first one channel is English speech. Friends, the channel is very good and you can improve your listening because there are lots of good speakers. They share their own story and they share their own points. Friends, on this channel, the video is available with subtitles which will help you to improve your English and to understand the word. And friends, the second channel is TEDx Talks. Friends, it is a very big platform of speaking English. Because friends, there are lots of good speakers. They share their own story and they share their own thoughts on this channel. And you can choose these 2 channels and you can improve your listening and you can listen the video. So friends, I hope you like this, and friends, enjoy your learning.
Friends, I have completed my listening and reading for 1 hour, and while reading newspaper, listening video, I got lots of new words, and after completing my listening and reading, now I want to share with you something. So friends, has it ever happened with you whenever you are going somewhere with your friends by bike or by scooty? That time he gives unnecessary knowledge or orders every time.
And friends, it happened with me several times, because one of my friend, whenever I go with him somewhere, that time he gives an order to me and unnecessary knowledge. So do you know friends, what is called a person who gives an order or unnecessary knowledge? So friends, we can say in English, backseat driver. So friends, the meaning of this word is in Hindi, एक ऐसा इंसान जो गाड़ी चलाते समय फालतू का ज्ञान देता हो और फालतू के ऑर्डर देता हो. So friends, how we can use this word in example? So friends, for example, he is such a backseat driver, I can't go with him. Friends, I have completed my third step of writing, and right now I am going to complete my fourth step of speaking English. To speak on the topic is my dream job. So friends, my dream job is to become a teacher, and I want to become a very good teacher who can understand the actual problem of every student related to their study. Because friends, we have been cramming the subject since our childhood. And friends, I also suffered with this problem. That's why I can understand the problem of every student. And friends, I want to make people aware about the education and about the knowledge. Because without knowledge, we can't do anything, and without education, we can't get anything in our life. We can earn money, we can get lots of assets, but we can't be happy in our life. And friends, education is not that source we can get job. Education is the source and knowledge is the source. We can fight for our rights in every situation. And who will teach these things? All those students. Friends, a person who is very good teacher, he will teach to every student how to be dedicated towards your work and how to be persevere for your goal. And friends, because a student, he will follow. And friends, a good teacher never focus on the only one student. A good teacher always focus on every student. It can be the front bench student and the last backbencher also, because a good teacher has a quality. He can make understand to every student and he can change the life of every student. This is a quality of a good teacher, and he should have a radius knowledge. And friends, it is a quality of a teacher, and I want to become a teacher like this. Friends, today I have completed my all tasks to read Bhagavad Gita, and today what I learned from Bhagavad Gita that I want to share with you, and that is, due to problems a person becomes alone, but in that time a person definitely knows who is with his and who is not. Jai Shri Krishna friends, today I have completed my 67 day of 75 hard days English challenge. And friends, if you like our work, please support us to like the video. And friends, if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, we will meet in next session.